Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere where you are for part of the world. So my name is Kate. Anytime you come across this video guys, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to introduce all these products for now we women. So this one to take shave your under place and your armpits. This one a chili gel to take wash that your under place. So why this one a deodorant? So I want to introduce that to we women because most women don't know say all these things there. So now summer now they come so we need all these things there. Let me say if you wear handless, the airway dey your armpit no go let person see road. So guys, now wetin I want to introduce for now be this one, like this gel now. If you be person wey dey lazy, this cream, not be gel cream. If you be person wey dey lazy to shave with shaving stick, this gel are your own. So it's very very good. Now just for you to use and take rub that your under place or your armpit. Before 5 minutes, everything don't wipe off. Then you go use water take wash and come out so that all the air wey dey there will come out finish. So it dey very very nice. This vet very good. Don't tell when I dey use them. Very 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 nice. And you know they dear €6 you don't buy this thing because most lady know they shave and which is very very bad. They know they shave and it's not good. And this gel, this chili gel, so it good. So that anytime when you bath as a woman, it good make you dey wash that your under place. Not be say your husband or your boyfriend won't go sleep with you now, you go dey find where you won't put your nose. It's not nice. Then deodorant. Most women not even they use deodorant. This summer we go hear word because so this gel, this deodorant. So if you be person where get very strong odor, it's good make you use man deodorant. You know me say na Dove you go buy. If you buy Nivea, if you buy anyone, but make it be man because it go last for your body for more than 24 hours of the day. If you try and you go like them. So guys, I be waiting. I want to show now. This cream so to take shave. Very 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 nice cream to take shave. If you be person wey dey lazy to use shaving stick to take shave your under place, now you get this cream because as you just open and just use and take rub that your under place. Under 5 minutes, everything don't wipe come out for that under place because most women they not sabi shave. They not know say if you see some, especially this summer time, if you enter Puma, boss, if you enter boss, you dey find where you won't put your nose. Not be say if you hang your hand like this, everybody go dey find where they won't put. Not be only women, but men, most men, many of them short. Many of them, I know which say some men don't even shave since where they even born themselves. So all these things, they're very very good. You know they deal with €6 you can buy this. With €3 something you can buy this chili gel, especially for women. And for women, deodorant. It's not good make woman know they shave. It's not nice because you get husband or you get boyfriend. Don't be saying that your husband or your boyfriend go come. If man not still shave, but especially women, it's very very important for we women to take care of ourselves. Don't be say you go fine finish for outside, makeup, dress, wear finish. For inside everywhere now they get nice odor and not good. Don't be saying and all these things they make men they stay away from women, but most women you go surprise say you and man go just toast you once. I mean you and man go toast you. If you just sleep with you once, you go just run, but you don't know the reason why make that kind of thing happen. And you know go like to want tell you. You go even decide waiting they happen when this person just do this thing once you run. You know, so all these kind of things, then when you know they shave, your under place they get odor. So you know if you expect any man to stay with woman where they say if you want go do that thing with her, you go they panic. So you no fit expect any man to stay with that kind of woman. But with all these things then like this, when I dey show now with this gel, you just watch. If you go bath or you and your husband or your guy on a one run things, and you understand, you go wash everywhere, go dey scent nice. And if you shave, you know say if you not shave even though you like, you use this thing, under 5 minutes you don dey get odo again, because that heat alone where it dey there, it go come gather the odor back again. But if you shave, say the place just dey so clean and free, even though if you use this thing, everywhere go just see the scent. You understand me, ladies? So all these things then good, me ladies, they get all these things then for us, these particular things, both deodorant. If you bath finish, you spray your deodorant for your armpits, then you use perf take support, and like that, even 2 days you not even use, and you go dey see the thing and say everywhere go dey see the scent, your body go still look nice. So it's very, very important, ladies, please, mona dey use all these products, especially now summer don come. Mona for not dey get that odor. Try to dey take care of yourself, ladies. Try, abeg, mona try to dey cocoa na self. Everything not be money, my dear. This life not get duplicate. Most people they sabi find money, fine, but your health is more important before you think of money. I know say all of us need money, but our health is more important. So ladies, try to take care of yourself, try to maintain yourself. It's very, very important, ladies. So all these things on the there with 10 euro, you see these 3 things with 10 euro or 11 euro, you can buy this. So it's a very good one. They take care of ourselves, ladies. So that one thing I want to try to put out them on and try to take care of ourselves. Don't be every time party, yeah, this one, that one, but inside is very dirty, outside is nice, but inside is very dirty. So it's not nice, ladies. So on all those things I want to try to bring out there. So if you like this video, ladies, so guys, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want make I bring all these topics sometimes, subscribe. You leave your comment in the comment section below. So guys, I appreciate you for that time until watch my video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Ciao ciao.